Wow. What kind of classroom is this?
Welcome, young explorers. This is Pluto Science Class, the classroom where every question becomes an adventure.
I love discovering planets, stars. I love learning about volcanoes, oceans, weather, and our amazing planet. I love finding out how things work and exploring science discoveries.
I love dinosaurs, fossils, and Earth's ancient past. I love discovering how our brain, heart, and body work.
I love asking big questions and solving science mysteries.
I love exploring the deep ocean and amazing sea creatures.
I love robots, inventions, and future technology.
All of this is inside one classroom?
Wow!
Not just a classroom, it's a place where curiosity takes us anywhere. From tiny atoms
to giant galaxies.
Welcome to Pluto Science Class.